Why Baccarat is the most underrated game in the casino. Blackjack's for the math nerds, poker's for the bluffers, but Baccarat is for the ones who crave drama, ritual, and real money flow, without the brain drain. This game doesn't just beat the house edge, it beats every other table game at the casino in pure entertainment. Let me show you why Baccarat is the real MVP of the pit. You don't just play Baccarat, you perform it. The card squeeze isn't just about suspense, it's a sacred ritual. Watch a high roller peel back that corner and you'll swear you're in a movie. It's not the hand you're holding, it's the moment you reveal it. That's the drug, that's the drama. Here's what no one tells you. Baccarat is the most social game on the floor. Everyone bets the same side. Everyone wins or loses together. You cheer, you groan, you ride streaks like a wave. It's like a team sport in a tuxedo. And the table energy? Electric dot. The simplicity plus stakes. Here's the kicker. You don't need a math degree. You don't need to memorize charts. It's simple. Banker, player, or tie. That's it. And yet Baccarat is where the whales go. The biggest money, the fastest action, the lowest edge. It's not loud, it's lethal. While blackjack players count cards and poker players bluff each other into a coma, Baccarat players are busy riding the flow, feeling the energy, and cashing out in silence. This isn't just a game, it's a vibe, a ritual, a secret code only a few understand. If you're still stuck playing games where you feel alone or out of control, it's time to level up. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and step into the real room, where players become legends.